Hello friends, welcome to my new Bootstrap 3 tutorial series video. Friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about the navigation components in Bootstrap. In our previous tutorial we discussed about the button drop downs. So if I show you, then this is a simple button drop down, and we also discussed about the split button drop down, and also we discussed about the sizes of this button drop down, such as large, medium, small, extra small. So in this tutorial we will basically discuss about the navigation components in Bootstrap, such as tabs and pills. So you can see that Bootstrap provides a very quick and easy way to create tabs and pills. So this is a horizontal tab, this is a horizontal pill. We will also discuss about the horizontal tabs and pills with icons, and then we will discuss about tabs and pills with the drop down. So moving ahead, then we will also see that how these tabs and pills can be stacked one over the another, and finally we will discuss about the said how to create a disabled link in a horizontal tab and pill. So let's go to our Sublime text editor and see how we can create navigation components in Bootstrap. So friends, here after placing the Bootstrap CSS and the JavaScript file which we discussed in our first tutorial, I will start coding for the navigation components. So first I will create a br, and then I will create a div. So to this div I will provide a class of container, and inside this container I will create a row, and inside this row I will create two columns having a width of 6 grid columns. So column would be column large dash 6, and inside this column I will create a well, and I will just copy this and paste it below. So inside this well, now I will be creating the horizontal tabs and pills. So first I will do an h4, and I will give horizontal tabs. So in order to create a horizontal tab, we have to first create an unordered list. So to this unordered list I have to provide a class of say nav, and to make it a tab we have to give the class as nav dash tabs. So now inside this unordered list we will create few list items such as say li, and under li will create a anchor tag, and first we'll give as name as home, and we'll just copy this. So we have created three list items, and let's say to first we'll give a class of active. So I will just copy this complete well and paste it below, and also I will now give as this horizontal pills. And to create a horizontal pill we have to, from nav tabs we have to give a class as nav pills, and rest will be kept as it is. So if I save and run it on browser, so you can see a horizontal tab and horizontal pills is created. So moving ahead, now we will create these tabs and pills with a say icons. So in order to create these tabs and pills with icons, I will just copy this well, and I will paste it below here, and I will give heading as horizontal tabs with icons. And in order to create a horizontal tab with icons, what I have to do is, like, just before say a proper text, home, profile and messages, I have to provide icons. So for that I will create a span here, span, and to this span I have to provide the glyph icons. So the class used will be glyph icon. So for home we'll use glyph icon dash home, and we'll give a space so that it can be visible. So we have just provided a glyph icon of home to the home text. Now we'll copy this span, and to this profile we'll provide a glyph icon of say user. We'll see how they look. And to messages we'll provide a glyph icon of envelope. So these three icons I provided: home, user and envelope. And say if I go to browser, you can see that this horizontal tab is having a icon of home, a user and an envelope. So I will just copy this again and paste it below and give a heading as horizontal pills with icons. I will change the class as nav pills, and rest I will keep as it is. And on browser you can see that pills are now created with icons. So moving ahead, we will now see tabs and pills with a drop down. So in order to create a tab with a drop down, what I will do, I will just copy this well and I will paste it here. So I will give heading to it as tabs with drop down. I will keep home and profile as it is, and to this messages list item I will convert it into a drop down. So in order to convert this list item into a drop down, what we'll do is, to this li I will provide a class of drop down, and to this anchor tag I will provide a class of drop down toggle, and also will provide a attribute as data toggle equals drop down. So this was what we discussed in our previous tutorial as well. So moving ahead, I will keep the span as it is, messages, and just after messages I will create another span, and to this span I will provide a class of caret. So just below this I will create an unordered list, and to this unordered list I will provide a class of drop down menu, because it will hold the drop down items. And now I will create a list items into it. So inside the list item I will create an anchor tag, giving it say the value as inbox. I will copy this 3 times and say here I give as drafts sent items, and to last I will give a value as spam, and just below the sent items I will create another list item. So to this I will provide a class of divider, and if I save and go to the browser, you can see a tab with a drop down. So moving ahead, now we'll create a pill with a drop down. So in order to create that, I will just copy this, because it is very similar to this tabs. So here I will just change the heading as pills, and only one change is required. So from nav tabs I have to just change it to nav pills, and if I save and go to the browser, you can see pills which comes with a drop down. So friends, now we will see about the stacked tabs and stacked pills. So in order to create stacked tabs and pills, what I will do, I will take the code for the horizontal tabs and pills. So I will just copy this and I will paste it to my second column, and I will change the heading to stacked tabs. In order to make this tab stack one over the other, we have to give a class as nav dash stacked. So similarly pills are created. So I will just copy this, paste it here, and I will change the heading from stacked tabs to stacked pills, and only one change I need to make is to this nav tabs I have to give nav pills, save it, and in the browser you can see the pills are stacked. So moving ahead, now we will see how justified tabs and justified pills look. So I will just copy this and paste it below, and I will change the heading to justified tabs. In order to make justified tabs, I have to just change the name of this nav stacked class to nav justified, and I will just copy it again for the pill and paste it below, and change the heading to justified pills, and I will change the class from nav tabs to nav pills. I save it and I go to browser, and you can see that the tabs and pills are justified equally inside this well. So one last thing remains is to disable the list item, one of the list item into this unordered list. So I will go to my editor and I will just copy this and I will change the heading as disabled link in tabs, and I will remove this nav justified, and let's say suppose to messages I want to disable this. So the class to disable it would be, to this list item I have to provide a class of disabled. I save it and I just copy it again, and I will change the heading to pills and also the class to pills. If I save it, go to the browser, so here you can see that the messages link has been disabled. So friends, this was all about the tabs and pills in Bootstrap. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also visit my blog. The link is given in the description. Thanks, have a nice day.